Apple recently announcing their super large pad with a wonderful pen, I thought I might have a go at painting a fruit bowl with vegetables and fruit in it today with a finger, using an iPad Air, the older one. And but then I thought, well, what if I just, instead of using my finger, I use the fruit itself? Well, let's have a go. So we're in Procreate. I just run that orange across there. There you are. You can see it's making a mark. So now, if we take a more sensible looking piece of fruit, it's actually a vegetable in this case, the carrot. Rather an old one and floppy, but it bends beautifully, it responds great, it drags on the glass to give a prototypical feel of paper. And I'm very impressed with the carrot. That's a lovely implement. Here's a piece of potato which has been cut earlier, and this you can be really quite accurate with. I can get my points on with that one. That's a nice shape. I like that. Perhaps my favourite shape here, I'll just clear the deck, and is the shape of the pear. Here's a pear, and we've got to get this right. There we go. Look at that. And the feel of that is superb. And I mean, that's a joy to use, funnily enough. If you're fast and quick and not too fussy, these are perfectly good, and they're certainly okay for children, providing you clean the screen at the end. I expect the best way is to lick the screen off at the end. It'll all taste of vegetable soup. Good luck anyway. Oh, and here's an onion. It works as well. My God, who wants a stylus?